Hello viewers, 4DIYers here with another tutorial video for everyone. In this particular video here, I'll be doing a demonstration of how to replace the blend door actuator for the HVAC system on a Ford Ranger. A similar procedure may also apply to other Ford models, the Mazda B series trucks. This is a 1998 model truck. This video is sponsored by Auto Parts Way. They have supplied me with the blend door actuator in order to produce this video. A link to this product will be included in the description below. This is a fairly common problem. Over time, the actuator can become dirty inside or eventually wear out. When the blend door actuator fails, you won't be able to adjust the temperature setting either on the hot or cold side. I did release a video about 3 years ago on cleaning the actuator, and it did last up until now. Eventually the contacts inside or the motor can wear out. You will need to open the glove box and empty the contents. Once emptied, pull in the sides to disconnect the tabs and then drop it straight down. No need to disconnect the battery, as we may need this in a moment. As you can see, there is a white box on top of the plastic duct. Depress the plastic tang on the electrical connector and remove. Using a standard screwdriver, pry under the motor assembly to unclip it from its location. There are no fasteners on this model, however this can vary between the years. Take your time, especially if it's cold out, as the plastic can be brittle. Lift it straight up and remove. If the plastic rod has broken off inside, you may need to glue something onto the center or insert a screw, then pull the broken portion up. I have made a mark for the position of the old motor. Plugging it back in, I can give a quick test. And I can see that there is some delays in the movement or spots when it doesn't move if I make small movements on the heater control dial. As you can see, here is a new replacement unit. As mentioned earlier, Auto Parts Way has supplied me with the part, and a link to this actuator will be included in the description below. There are 2 different types, and this will be based on if you have a manual or automatic controls. Plugging in the new actuator, make sure it matches the position of the old one that was removed. Install it into place. You'll need to ensure it's snapped in at the front and rear. If you are finding issues if it's seating properly, you may need to turn the key on and then adjust the dial slightly in order to get the position of the actuator. Only small movements are needed while pushing the actuator down. Plug in the electrical connector if you haven't already. And now the blend door is functioning correctly. If you are still having issues, you may have a jammed or broken blend door. New videos are released every week on my channel. Be sure to hit that thumbs up button. It's a huge help to me, and leave a comment below if you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to follow my social media pages such as Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter to keep up to date with my latest projects. And if you're not a subscriber, be sure to also hit that subscribe button. Thank you for watching.